Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video tutorial, we are showing you how to redeem Ulta Beauty gift cards and how to purchase items online using Ulta Beauty gift cards. First, go to ulta.com and then sign in to your account. Find the items that you like and add them to cart. After you are done adding items to cart, click on the cart icon and then select the shipping option. Click Checkout button and then scroll down to Payment option. Click Add Gift Card link. Now enter the 16-digit gift card number that you can find at the back of your gift card, then enter the 4-digit PIN under the scratch-off layer. This is how you can redeem Ulta Beauty gift cards. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.